You wear me out, boy. You wear me
Turn
out.
around again, Claire. Very nice.
Is that a little outfit? Yeah? You have a little outfit on too? A little sunsuit?
It's a little outfit, Mommy.
A little outfit.
Daddy? It's a little outfit.
Andrew's got a little outfit. Used to belong to
Andrew,
Claire.
look here.
Andrew, look at Daddy. No.
Stay on the deck,
No,
you
stay
two.
on the deck. Come on out. Andrew looks like a monk. Sort of. Buddhist monk. Stay on the deck, you guys. Come on. No, 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 no.
Andrew, you like the spaghetti?
A little beach bum. And then what about Claire here? Look at that face. Do you like the spaghetti too, Claire? Why don't you have a bite and show me how much you like it? Show me how you can twirl it around and around on the fork. Okay?
Yeah. Go round and round, Claire. Did you just have a bunch of juice?
You have juice in your mouth? Well, tell me when you're ready.
Uh-oh. No.
Is that delicious, Dean?
Go.
No.
Are you gonna twirl round and round? Okay, I gotta see this. Twirl round and round. Uh-oh. Can you get it?
I thought that's pretty hard.
It
Was
is
that
pretty
pretty
hard,
hard?
but you can do it. Maybe if you put your fork in your other hand.
Okay.
That's it. Okay, twirl round and round. Good job.
You want long noodles?
Oh, she doesn't have long noodles?
No, she has short noodles.
Oh, well, no wonder it didn't work. Well, next time when Claire's long noodles, we'll do this. Some long noodles, and she's done the round and round. Look at that.
Good job, Claire.
Very good.
You're a professional.
Yep. Let's get a close-up of that dirty face. Okay. Say bye-bye.
Daddy,
Yeah.
we painted this.
Can you read some letters, Claire?
E.
E. Uh-huh.
You know what this is?
What? C. Okay.
No, I didn't.
What?
No, I used tail.
Mm-hmm.
What do you tell, Daddy?
Point to a letter.
This.
That? You know what letter that is?
C.
C.
Yes, C. O.
O.
You said piggy.
Mm-hmm.
E. There's a hat.
Yeah, Henry has a hat. Very good.
I. What? T.
T.
No, it's him.
He has a train, I guess. It's hard for me to read from here.
H.
You gonna get down on the floor without feeling it first, Andrew? You're pretty close. You can do it, Andrew. Just drop. No, you won't do it, will you? No, that's probably a good idea. It's okay, Andrew. It's okay, boy. Andrew, can you come here? Andrew? Andrew, can you come here? Can you come here, boy? Yeah.
Yeah.
There.
Claire, dance with Andrew.
Dance.
Okay, I'll find it. You dance, okay? I don't know where it is. I mean, you just dance. Oh my gosh! What did you two do? Where's all your stuff? Where's your books? Where's the wallpaper?
What'd you do to the
Claire!
paper?
What did you do? Andrew, what did you do? We can't leave you home for a weekend ever, can we? And you
done?
didn't make your bed. Claire, we're just teasing.
Okay. Let's pull down some
Okay.
more. Okay?
Is
Yeah.
that fun? Andrew, do you want to do some? What color do you want your bedroom?
Red.
Red?
I like red.
You do like red, don't you? There, Andrew.
Pull it
Pull
down.
it down.
Oh,
Wow, look at this room. Look at all that wallpaper on the floor.
And guess where Claire's gonna sleep tonight?
Where are you going to sleep tonight?
wow.
Red? No, where are you going to sleep? You're going to sleep in Andrew's bedroom. Yes.
Okay, you two.
Practice.
Hold on to Claire's
Number
side.
1.
Hold on to his side like that. Where you hold the camera. Okay, Claire, you go down holding the camera, okay? Yeah. Okay, you ready? Okay.
Okay, come on, Claire.
Start walking. That's good walking.
Remember to smile.
Keep walking like that. Keep walking like that, Claire. Okay, Andrew, you go. Follow Claire, Andrew. Keep walking, Claire. Motion to Claire, Donna.
Come on. Good job, Claire. You did a good job. Okay. Want to practice again? Okay.
Okay, come on. Come back here. Claire, go first and Andrew follow.
No, I think they should go together. No? Okay.
Okay, Claire, you go first. Start walking and Andrew will follow you. Go to mommy. Watch mommy.
Come on, keep coming.
Go follow Claire.
Good job. Okay, one more time. One more time, okay?
Could we do it together, you think? Okay, let's try it together. No, you hold it one more time, Claire. You're the big sister. You hold the candle. This time I want you to Andrew to go at the same time. Okay, Andrew, you walk with Claire to mommy. Ready?
Come, whoops. Come on. All right. Good.
One more time.
No, that's good.
You're so good, Claire. You don't need any more practice now.